This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lotus Brownies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9x 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper. Next, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter and set it aside to cool slightly. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with the melted butter, mixing until smooth. This forms the sweet base for our delicious brownies. Now, let's get that batter perfect. Add 4 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition until fully incorporated. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Gradually add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. Finally, gently fold in 1/2 cup of crushed Lotus Biscoff cookies. It's time to bake. Pour the brownie batter evenly into your prepared 9x 13-inch baking pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, let the brownies cool slightly. While still warm, spread 1 cup of melted Lotus Biscoff spread evenly over the top. This creates a rich, gooey layer that truly elevates the flavor. Patience is key for the best results. Let your Lotus brownies cool completely for at least 2 hours before cutting. This ensures they set properly and are easier to slice into perfect 2-inch squares. The wait is worth it for that fudgy texture. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.